Hey, Veronica, do you have a doink? I don't have a second. What do you mean? I have to speak with you about something important. Not because there's 37 other people in this office, but for some reason, you only come to steal my seconds. There's only 31 million seconds in a year, and you've taken at least half of those. I don't have many seconds left in life. I don't have that many. I can't keep giving you my seconds. I don't know what the question is this time. I don't know what language I'm supposed to answer you in. I don't know how many jobs I gotta quit because of you, but I don't have a second for you right now. I just don't. Really quickly, it's Cassandra's birthday next week, and we just wanted to confirm that you were still going to pick up the cake. That's it. That's super fast. It's nothing crazy today. You mean Cassandra, the one who complained to you about me speaking Spanish? Yeah, I'll pick up the cake. Yeah, I'll pick up the cake. It's going to say Feliz cumpleaños, pendeja. That's what it's going to say, if you let me pick up the cake. I'll stop at Publix on my way to work. Please don't send me a recap email about this. Sounds like a plan. No to the second part. Hey, Janet. If Cassandra wants her colleagues to celebrate her, maybe she can try a little harder at fostering relationships and stop complaining about me speaking my native language. Play a safer game. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.